Right, I'm down here today on Unity Beach in Somerset. I just had this van arrive. It's not been kitted out properly yet, but it will be later on, okay? It's a lovely, lovely caravan, guys. Look at it, imagine it with a big deck on it. Shane, is it 14 or 13 foot?
I think it's 13, Nigel.
13 by 39 foot.
I need to double check, mate.
It's a Harlington.
Pretty sure it's 42 foot though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good news.
Great news.
Look at the big windows on the back of it.
That's
the big
amazing.
windows there, let all the light in.
You can turn them into patio doors then at the end
Do
if
you
you
know
want
this
to.
bit here, Shane? It's all cladded.
I know, I love that.
Cladded,
Love
galvanised,
it.
so this will last forever. And the good thing about
Forever and
our
ever.
park, Shane, no age limit. Yeah? Coming in, guys. Go and imagine it now with the TV up and all the bits and pieces in it, yeah? You've got these big doors that open out onto your decking, yeah?
I like the sliders, Nigel. They don't get caught in the wind, do they?
Well, the sliders are a lot easier to be honest, 'cause
Yeah.
otherwise you've got to clip them back, the old ones. Get the TV on the wall there, Shane. Do you like this rustic effect?
I love it.
This is quite a new design, you know. Regal were like the first company to ever do this.
Little reading corner there.
It's lovely, mate.
Very nice, mate.
Sit there, chill out, and just like have a glass of gin and tonic.
Beautiful.
If you like gin and tonic, if you don't like gin and tonic, you can put whatever you want. Do you know what I mean? Eh?
Not going to force you. No.
So this got a double bed under there as well. So it's actually a 6-berth train.
Mm.
But this is unique, you know, because this year it's in the kitchen. So if they're eating food and drop on the floor, just sweep it up. Most important thing about this van is the wine cellar there. Yeah, it's the most important thing. Okay. I forgot to show you this, Shane.
No. Dishwasher.
Candy dishwasher.
Wow. Candy.
Made by Candy herself.
Oh.
Beautiful. Look at the big size of those windows.
Wow.
So, and look at the worktop, like granite effect, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It might be granite actually. Then you've got your hob to get your steam out. You've got everything you want, yeah? You've got an extractor fan. I mean, double glazed, centrally to residential spec. No age limit on the park. Guys, there's a no-brainer. Come down if you want to have a look around it. You have to contact Shane now. Shane, what's your number?
07813 967 436.
Right, you've got the ensuite yourself here, okay? You've got 2 showers, yeah, 2 toilets, loads of cupboard space, lights under there, absolutely beautiful, nice curtains, beautiful. And you know what? They haven't skimped on the bed. Ah,
Oh, look at that.
do you know what I mean? No, seriously, sometimes caravan companies skimp on the bed. That's the most important thing to me. You've got the TV on there, yeah? You've got another shower in here, Shane. And toilet in there. Nice, isn't it?
Lovely that, mate.
And then you've got another one here, look.
Wow.
Perfect, isn't it?
Love it.
And then you've got a place to put your coats, take your shoes off here, yeah?
Like that.
Just chill out. Then you've got your thermostat on the wall for your heating. Yeah, you've got everything you could ever want in a caravan. Let me know what you think, guys. Hook me up in the comments. Send me a message. And if you want to come down, come and see Shane. But all I can say is thank you for watching.